Butterfly Bieber.
Well, bad hair day, but what does that look like? It looks like her surfing, right?
Natto.
She looks this weird, gross thing called natto.
I knew you were gonna put that.
Your hidden talent. I need to think about this for 1 second. Can put babies to sleep.
Okay.
She's really good with kids. That's her
She
hidden
can
talent.
open a beer bottle with her teeth.
That's true. 1, 2, 3.
I loved her husband.
She did. She was the one less lonely girl.
Should I put down what my answer would be then? We'll have a little spin to this one. I'll tell you who my style icon is. You can tell me who your style icon is.
Yeah.
Okay.
Aw, thanks.
How do you not know this?
That's gonna make me cry. Margarita with 1942 tequila.
You're so specific.
Is that true?
We're friends.
Yeah, we are friends.
Oh, well, it's kind of.
Well, okay.
She's way more specific.
At a lake in New Jersey, in New York, same thing. Am I wrong? Thank you. I said your eyes, your nose, and your body.
Ooh,
I think you have such a cute nose.
that little Hawaiian nose.
You do. It's so cute.
You got perfect Brazilian skin. I could have spelled it wrong.
I said you're very trustworthy, loyal, honest, and adventurous, and you can cook.
Oh, I said you're loyal, generous, and so loving.
Yes. See, you know it's real when clean is on both.
It's for real. Well, I had so much fun taking the quiz with you.
Me too.
I hope you guys got to know us a little better. Hope you had fun. Until next time. Bye.